down.
In September 2017, Governor Isuikwuato of Abia State flagged off the construction of school building projects across Abia State. The projects include 4 new model schools spread across the state, each comprising 10 classroom blocks, library, laboratory, teachers' quarters, sick bay, 5 secondary and 3 primary classroom blocks, solar-powered water borehole, perimeter fence, and headmaster quarters.
Now, my children are in school. What about my infrastructure? We have done about 650, not counting the ones we are doing now, new classroom blocks with 4 model schools. Because I am a product of public school, I need to capture all my children in the school system.
In addition, 80 schools will be renovated alongside 10,000 school furniture to be provided. Governor Isuikwuato performed the groundbreaking ceremony of the projects at St. Silas Primary School, Old Umuahia South Local Government Area of the state. One of such schools built is the Spence Primary School of in Isuikwuato Local Government Area. Before now, the school was in a dilapidated state and the environment was not conducive for teaching and learning.
I came here, all the buildings are damaged. The children are sitting on the ones that are not good. But when I came here, they built this one. So he's trying and we appreciate it. They stay here, they are very happy. And even the parents, they appreciate it, they are happy for this building. And say, may God bless him and give him good health, long life, prosperity. Let him continue with his good job he's doing.
Call them what? Values. Examples of values are, we have honesty. Say honesty.
Honesty.
Again?
Honesty.
Wow, the experience was very, very fantastic with the learning materials, especially the lockers, where the people sit individually, and that has helped them a lot to learn very well, because when you give them bench, they will sit together and one may be pushing the other in struggling to sit very comfortably.
I am happy about the new classroom and the lockers. About the class, I am happy because the new class, I feel comfortable while writing, and I understand what our teacher is telling us.
Governor Isuikwuato, we appreciate it and we thank him and say may God bless him and give him good health, long life, prosperity. Let him continue with it.
I want to say very big thanks to our governor, Dr. Isuikwuato, for providing lockers and good classroom and learning materials for our children.
Thank you, Governor Isuikwuato.
Thanks to Governor Isuikwuato, the students not only enjoy a good facility for learning, but are also fed daily through the school feeding program. Project 038, construction of classroom block in Spence Primary School, Ovim, in Isuikwuato Local Government Area.